Adding checkboxes one by one in Excel? That's old school. Let Kutools insert dozens of checkboxes in seconds, each linked to cells with instant true or false logic. You'll discover 3 powerful modes. Insert checkboxes only. Insert checkboxes and link to their own cells. Insert checkboxes and link to other cells. Let's start with the simplest option, insert checkboxes only. This mode is purely visual. The checkboxes are added, but they don't link to any cell value. Perfect for layouts, printable forms, or when you don't need any logic behind them. First, select the cells where you want the checkboxes to appear. Go to the Kutools tab. Then click Insert. Batch Insert Smart Checkboxes. In the pop-up Batch Insert Smart Checkboxes window, you'll see 3 cell linking modes. Choose the first option, Insert Checkboxes Only. You can also enable the Use Cell Content as Checkbox Label option to customize the output. Click OK to apply the settings. And that's it. The checkboxes are now added to each selected cell. You can check or uncheck them, but they won't affect any cell values. Now let's level it up with the second option, Insert Checkboxes and link to their own cells. In this mode, each checkbox is linked to the cell it's in. When you check the box, the cell value becomes true. Uncheck it, and it becomes false. First, select the cells where you want the checkboxes to appear. Go to the Kutools tab. Then click Insert. Batch Insert Smart Checkboxes. In the pop-up window, choose the option, Insert Checkboxes and link to their own cells. If needed, enable Use Cell Content as Checkbox Label for automatic label integration. As for the Display the logical value of the checkbox, true or false, in the linked cell option. Enabling it will make the actual true or false value appear directly in the cell. Click OK. Now, try clicking any checkbox. You'll see the same cell immediately shows true or false. Finally, the most flexible option, Insert Checkboxes and link to other cells. This lets you keep your checkboxes separate from your data logic. Each checkbox links to a different cell, showing true when checked and false when unchecked. First, select the cells where you want the checkboxes to appear. Go to the Kutools tab. Then click Insert. Batch Insert Smart Checkboxes. In the pop-up window, choose the option, Insert Checkboxes and link to other cells. Next, select the upper left cell of the range where you want the true or false values to appear. If needed, enable Use Cell Content as Checkbox Label for automatic label integration. Click OK. Now, clicking a checkbox will change the value in the linked cell, true when checked, false when unchecked. And that's a complete walkthrough of Kutools for Excel's Smart Checkbox insertion. Whether you want visual-only checkboxes, self-linked logic, or flexible linked data, Kutools makes it incredibly easy. Kutools for Excel, with more than 300 essential and advanced features, enjoy permanently free AI features now.